Good afternoon, Captain Nelson here. We just received another new kite in from got it from Jim Pearsall at Windward Kites in New Hope, Pennsylvania. It's the 3D Air Force One kite. It's a rather good sized kite. Excuse me. It's 51 inches wide. It's 42 inches high. It's made with ripstop nylon, fiberglass frame. And as you can see, we'll take it out of the packaging here. You can see here's a little picture of it there and what it looks like. And it does come with full instructions on how to put it together. It's fairly simple. So we're going to take it out of the packaging here and make sure everything's okay. It does come with free, as you can see, kite string on its own handle. I have a different method of using, but that I can address later on. Excuse me, please. Right now my concern is to make sure that everything is okay with the kite and that we have all the appropriate parts. So far it looks like we do. Yeah, okay. As you can see, it's starting to look like the Air Force One that the President flies on. And you have these rods that fit through the aircraft body out into the wing, and they're spar supports, which these are your spar supports right here. You bend them a little bit, don't be afraid to bend them into it. You go to the rear of the plane and you do the same for the rear wing. Which has a small nylon flap. Sometimes you have to lift that a little bit to get into it because it's up underneath. There we go. Move the tail a little bit and go to the other side for the other wing, rear wing. As you can see, the flap is right here. It looks like it would slide here, but it doesn't. It slides right up underneath half or about 3/4 of the way to hold the wing in place. Now this is your tail support right here. That's going to go up in here onto this, which is the same setup as the wing straps. So don't be afraid to push down and push this up in like that so that you have it. So in there you will have your Air Force One kite, presidential kite. And that's what it looks like. This is your bridle. The loop is where you'll attach your string for flying your presidential Air Force One kite. And everything looks fine with this kite, so you'll be able to take it outside and give it a run for its era. And it'll basically glide through the air with lots of enjoyment and fun on windy days. And this is Captain Nelson signing off with Air Force One. Thank you very much for your interest.